Safe and effective road networks are vital for socio-economic development. So much has been invested in building modern road networks, and it's essential to effectively and efficiently preserve these valuable capital assets. More than 80% of highway agencies' maintenance costs go into road surface maintenance. To reduce maintenance costs, improve safety for the road user, and assure the quality of the asset, it's essential to invest in modern inspection methods. Many highway agencies have incorporated inspection into their daily operations, creating real-time system by automatically logging and updating data in their pavement management systems. The data collected over time enables them to proactively maintain their assets. A number of these have seen a clear improvement in pavement quality, lower maintenance costs, and extended lifespan of the asset. Ground-penetrating radar, GPR, uses electromagnetic radiation to detect reflected signals and create an image of the subsurface structural composition by assessing the condition of road structures, foundations, and the supporting ground. Data acquisition takes place at normal traffic speeds, making GPR a cost-effective technique which provides valuable information. A laser profiler is used for roughness testing and road condition surveys, looking for irregularities in the pavement. Roughness indicates the degree of comfort perceived by the road user and is one of the most important factors for appraising new roads. The International Roughness Index, IRI, is most commonly obtained from measured longitudinal road profiles. If the profile is not uniform, this will lead to greater vehicle maintenance costs and an increase in travel timing. Continuous friction measurement equipment, CFME, is used to measure traction. This is adherence between the road surface and the tyre. This type of survey is a way to assess both the quality of the road and safety for the road user. Aggregate that stands out from the bitumen gives a certain level of friction which impedes skidding. Over time, the aggregate becomes eroded and the road surface tends to become polished. This can lead to vehicles losing traction. The information is collected, analysed, and used for preventative maintenance planning, allowing for safe and efficient long-term functioning of a modern road network. Data is constantly collected over time to establish a predictive pattern that empowers future planning. Proactive maintenance identifies and addresses maintenance requirements before greater damage and expense are incurred. When the agency neglects to frequently inspect the road, reactive maintenance happens when a defect is obvious. Action that is taken at the last minute can result in maintenance costs quadrupling and creating convenience to road users. VSSI offers solutions to highway agencies through new technologies, scientific techniques, and applied research. Our inspection services enables for preservation action, which will plan and optimize investment using the resources available by checking and analyzing the degree of compliance with the standards, thus speeding up decision-making, which will help in the justification process. This makes it possible to increase safety levels of the road users while also reducing long-term maintenance expenses. Our reports support data-driven decisions to justify when, where, and how much must be invested in road maintenance, allowing for improvements in road networks infrastructure. The tools available will enable our engineers to test, evaluate, and respond to maintenance requirements at the same time as developing innovative technology to resolve problems that directly affect road users.